Good morning, everyone. This is how my day begins with peace, freshness, and a positive mindset. Look at this beautiful road, full of greenery, calm, and morning vibes. Nature is reminding us, grow slowly, but grow daily. The weather is so soothing. Cool breeze, silent streets, and a motivated heart. I am going to the gym, not only to build my body, but also to build my discipline. Because fitness is not a one-day task. It's a lifestyle. Every morning workout teaches me one thing. Consistency is more important than perfection. And while improving my health, I am also improving my English, step by step, day by day. So if you are watching this, this is your sign. Wake up early, move your body, and work on yourself. Let's become confident, strong, and fluent together. First, I reach the reception area. Before starting any workout, I always begin with a warm-up. It was very neat, clean, and beautifully maintained. The positive vibe of this place instantly boosted my motivation. Then I saw this amazing swimming pool. It looked so calm, fresh, and relaxing. For a moment, I just stood there and admired the view. There was a lift, but instead of taking the lift, I chose the stairs, because small choices create big results. Climbing the stairs is not just about going up. It is a step towards a stronger body and better stamina. Step by step, I was moving closer to my fitness goals. First, I move my hands in circular motion to release stiffness and improve flexibility. Then I stretch my full body, slowly and mindfully. Neck rotation, shoulder rotation, side bends, and light leg movement. Because warm-up is very important, it prepares the body and prevents injuries. Going to the gym is not about weight loss. It's about self-love, discipline, and growth. And along with my fitness journey, I am improving my English too. Day by day, let's become stronger, physically, mentally, and confidently. Nourish your body, fuel your dreams, and keep growing. Look at this beautiful space. So clean, so well organized, and fully equipped for a powerful workout. Here are all the essential gym machines. Treadmill for walking and running. Cross trainer for full body cardio. Stationary cycle to improve stamina. Smith machine for safe strength training. Cable machine for multiple muscle workouts. Leg press machine for strong legs. Lat pull-down machine for back strength. Chest press machine for upper body. Dumbbells, my favorite for functional training. Barbell for heavy lifting and strength. Weight plates to increase resistance. Workout bench for different exercises. Yoga mat for floor workouts and stretching.
So now I am doing a warm up, that is one of the best part before doing exercise. I'm sure if you are into it, you must know it, because if you do exercise without warm up, you feel back pain, your leg pain, or any kind of injury can happen. But once you start by doing warm up, you really feel fresh and you will ready to move for main exercise. So I did this, and I always prefer by doing exercise with this stick. I feel like this is the thing that anyone can prefer it and they can do at home too. So guys, if you are watching videos and if you really want to be healthy, so definitely you should try this stick exercise. That is good for your hand, your shoulder, and for your upper body. You can do at home anytime, anywhere. So guys, can you tell me what kind of exercise do you like? You know, in life, if you want to achieve something, I feel like a best body is really important. Definitely you need to be healthy, right? If you are not healthy, you can't do anything. And for that, definitely you have to work on your body. And that's why I prefer. What about you guys? Do you prefer workout at home or going to gym, or you are not into it? What I personally feel like, if you don't prefer to go to gym, even though if you don't like doing exercise at home, so that's okay. So instead of gym, you can prefer like a Zumba, dance, any physical activities that really make you happy. Definitely you should do, guys. So now I'm moving forward towards treadmill. This is one of the best exercise, whether you can walk in your garden or anywhere, or you just go directly in the gym and you can walk here. I personally like to go to gym and walk on treadmill because here I can set my time. You can walk, you can jogging, and you can run here. Only you need to set time accordingly. I feel like listen to your body, and if you really enjoy it, definitely you should do it. Sometimes what happened, we don't get too much time, or if you go out like on the road or where, so there is a not that kind of environment, sometimes like car is going, so that is full of rush, right? But once you go to the gym, you will get different atmosphere. This is called cross trainer that I am using. This is for cardio, and it really works for your full body exercise. So I never forget to do this. For upper body, this is also one of the best exercise in the gym, guys. Seriously, this is for upper body, and this is called cable machine, right? And through this machine you can do workout for your hand, for your back muscle, and for your upper body too. So through only one machine you can work out with three different body. Is it really amazing, right? Have you ever tried this machine? If you have tried ever, so please let me know in my comment box. And what kind of videos do you want me to make? If you really enjoy my video, let me know it so that I can give you more videos like this. And this one exercise I really enjoy it, and this is for upper body. Now it's time to do some strength exercise. So I picked up some dumbbells, which is I think around 5 kg, and I started moving from left to right.